Hi, what you're looking at is the DualLiner system that I just installed in my 2018 Ford F-150. This took me approximately about 90 minutes. A lot of the time was taking off the box link system from the bed of the truck and removing the factory Ford Bakflip cover. So installing the system went together exactly how their video is. It's very simple. You do the header, then the two sides, and lay the floor, and then the tailgate mat here. This took me about 90 minutes all total, including a couple breaks for a cool glass of water. I did drill holes in the header for the drain for the backflip cover. However, that was very simple to do and matches the drain that's actually in the drain plug in the bed of the truck. You can see all the box link systems are installed. It all goes together as directed, and I would highly recommend this system to anybody looking for a bed liner that they can simply install, one that provides a cushion and make sure that your product in the back does not move around. I'm at this point extremely happy with it, and as I said, it went in very quickly, and I did it one person install, so I'm pretty sure you can too. Thanks for looking, and DualLiner, thank you. It's a great product.